So we are all the way through the wizard, and we can go back and change things and tinker things as we want, but we are going to go up and publish page and videos. So let's make sure, let's see if we've done everything. You're about to publish your page and videos will be public. You won't be able to accept pre-orders after this, so if you've set a pre-order setting, be careful with that because you won't be able to change it. Publish pages and videos. Have we set everything up correctly? No errors at the minute. Oh, your page is live, and here we are at our page where we can share the link, preview the link. There's up the top there, Vimeo.com on demand. Happy Me, video sales, Vimeo sales. I can copy that. Go to like another browser where I'm not logged in to see what people see. So this is what other people are seeing. How to sell a video on demand. Watch the trailer. Here's the title. Here's who's made it. Here's the trailer video. Bonus feature videos with a padlock, because you can only get the bonuses when you are purchased. Purchase buttons here. Rent or buy. Buy. The poster we set up. Commenting we allowed if people are logged in. People can follow and click on the link. So if you went to my Facebook page, I'm not sure if I'm logged into Facebook, it'll jump to my Facebook page or my Twitter. But there it is. My sales page is now ready for a purchase.